UK, and we're really pleased to report to you all that we've been out canvassing this year, finally, after such a difficult winter. So we've been in Clevedon today, and we are just raising awareness of the fact that Article 61 of the Magna Carta 1215 was invoked in 2001. And yes, that was a long time ago, but the mission is not complete at all because not enough people in this country know about it. The facts were swept under the carpet, and I can see a bus coming. And obscured from people's, knowledge and common knowledge, basically. It wasn't widely reported enough in the media, and it was a major pushback and opposition to the antics of the government and Crown. So many of us are now under oath to the Barons Committee, who invoked Clause 61 of the Magna Carta in 2001, and all that means is that we've actively, evidently created a standing in opposition to the Crown alongside what the Barons invoked. Now, I just need to specify that the people were the ones that lobbied the Barons to invoke Clause 61 in the first place. So the Barons, at the behest of the people, have invoked Clause 61. And many of us are now standing against unlawful legislation that's being created by a de facto parliament that has no real lawful authority. Anyway, there's a big thing about this, and we've got lots of information about it on our website. So if you'd like to visit, it's commonlawassent.com, but we'll leave you links at the bottom. So we're going around leafleting for Keep Cash UK, of course. 6 good reasons why cash should be protected, because you know what happened recently in 2020 when they started to infiltrate more off the back of some idea that they had that cash would have, be dirty or whatever, and then they started to push forward the agenda of cashless. So this is a great leaflet because when we put it through the letterboxes of the shops, they can put that purple leaflet up and encourage people in the local area to spend cash and use cash in their shops, which is always good, not to be so digital. And then we also have the complicated, slightly more complicated facts in law about Article 61 being invoked, and then on the back of that is a list of unalienable rights for people, which are a really nice thing. And we've just put ours in a frame at home, and it looks really good. So I'll show you all a photo of that later. And thank you for following. We really appreciate your following and your support. We've been hammering this for years now, and we are not going to stop. So so much appreciation to all of you for following our pages and supporting our campaign. And I'll leave some links below this video for anyone who wants to follow up and do some deeper reading about what I'm explaining. Thank you.